Hi guys, welcome to Metrics Trading Professionals. I will want to quickly show you how I was able to build this S Trader Forex robot. It's it's a system, it's a Forex robot that was actually built with pure price action. So there is no indicator in this Forex robot, and this Forex robot can actually trade 50 to 100% in a year. But it's not just about the profit target. The one of the most interesting thing about the forex robot is the safety of capital, is the is this the level of 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 reliability that this forex robot has, because we've actually backtested this forex robot for a very long period of time, and I'm going to show you that. Okay, so these are all the logics that we use to initiate the buy, and this logic for the sell. Then we have the martingale, and then we have condition for profit and loss. As simple as that. We still have one or two things to add to this, but it's already working perfectly. All right, the money management is excellent, but we're going to add one or two more money management systems to also help further protect the forex robot. So quickly, let me show you the results we got from our backtest. Let me start from this. Okay, at first we started by we had this deep concern to build a first robot that we can backtest over a long period of time. So since last year, we've been able to build a robot that could only trade between 2020 to date. But 2019 had been an issue. So God helping us, we were able to develop something. We got an idea and we implemented it through. In fact, we've been doing lots of work since last year, and then it actually paid off this year, and we were able to trade 2019. And not only did we trade 2019, we traded 2017, 2016. So amazing. Okay, so back to 2019. Look at this first robot, the maximum drawdown. So it's the first robot is on $100,000. That's what I want to show you. You can see from 2019. So look at the backtest, the statistics. So within from 2019 to, it gave us $152,000 net profit. And then the maximum drawdown was 27. That's 27% of the account. It's so amazing. 27% risk, and 27% risk, and then it gave this profit. Of course, our fixed deposit in the bank wouldn't do this for us. All right, then look at the profit factor and the recovery factor. Then this is the graph of what we did. Okay, where is this? From 2016. Then you can see from 2016 the same thing. That Jordan was in 2020. In fact, having a forex robot that passes 2020 alone, self till date, that robot is quite sophisticated, because we have COVID-19. Now, why taking this long period of time? If a forex robot can survive this period of time, it means it's sophisticated, because we'll have different fundamentals. Of course, fundamentals has to do with economic data, has to do with social. Fundamentals cover social activities or social events, as well as the political activities. So all political activities, social activities, and economic activities put together still give us this result. So it means that this robot is 100% automated, can trade 100%. You don't need to turn it off during the times of news, because the highest we got in 2020, I remember this time, July 2020. In fact, I was trading. Oh, 2020. No, not 2020. So interesting. I think somewhere here, which date is this? This is 2022. Okay, no, 2022. Wow, there was one period in 2022. It was mad. Yeah, somewhere around here, July. It was mad. It even traded it very well. That period, I have friends who trade with forex robots. It blew lots of the account, and I also had over 50 to 60% drawdown on the robots I was trading there. Then, okay. So looking at this, it has very less drawdowns. You can see that the drawdowns are so limited. Okay, so the highest of it is this time. It's just this time. That's what gave us how many? That's what gave us 20. Okay, wow. Yeah, I remember something. I'm gonna show you. Now, um, your broker also matters a lot. Okay, this gave 58 because I was looking at that. That was why I had to backtest with another broker. I had to backtest with another broker, and you can find that that period, like this one, is just normal. It's just normal. So this 30,752. So this is normal. So your broker, the broker you use could actually affect your EA. It's very important we note that as well. So I always recommend an ECM broker, very low spread, low commission, and speed execution, less manipulation. So you need a trusted broker to have the best of your forex robot. Then the VPS you use has to be a good VPS, from a good vendor, and you don't have to overwork the VPS. If it's one platform, use it. If it's two platforms, don't exceed it. Follow the specification of the vendor when you are trading with your forex robot, because a lot of things account to reasons why a robot would work and or not work, reasons why a robot would work or not work. So I did this with a 50k deposit from 2017, and then there's a graph. So we have a net profit of 204,000. So that's massive. From our 50k, we have a net profit of 204,000. So it means that if we use 100k on this, this would just be 300% from 2017 to date, which is still not bad. One thing people want to make 100% in 1 month, then you are going to lose your money. Okay, this robot can do that actually, because looking at it, we've not even stretched it. This is just 30%. So if we increase the lot size by 2, if we increase the lot size, not just lot size, there are things we would increase. Okay, if we just increase the lot size and the other stuff by 2, it's gonna give us maximum drawdown of 60, which is still not bad. Then we're going to get times 2 of that result. Okay, then we're going to get times 2 of this result. All right, so but like I said, when I said earlier that our concern is the protection of capital. So capital before reward. So we consider our risk before our reward. So for a low risk trader, this will go. If you want to increase the risk, then we would increase the risk for you. Okay, so that's just it for this EA. Be reminded that we can develop your strategies. We can automate your strategies for you. So you can reach out to us. You can chat us on Telegram or WhatsApp. Also visit our website at mtradingpro.com. See our services there. Also subscribe on this channel if this is your first time of watching our videos. If this is your first time of coming here, kindly subscribe, and then don't forget to reach out to us if you like what we are doing. Thank you very much, guys. Enjoy the rest of the day.